Today in the grain market, we saw soybeans lower, actually double digits. That China trade war, still is a concern. Plus, that African swine fever that's rampant in China is marching on, and it's expected to reduce some of the demand. So, any idea that we get a resolution, the demand may be cut just because of that. This short week also keeps a lot of the support away. There isn't a lot of traders in today. No one really wants to jump into the market with just this one day after the holiday. Come Monday, I think we're going to get a little bit more of an idea of which direction we're going to go, and we're going to continue to look to crop progress reports and the next WASDE report. All these are going to be really important going forward for the rest of the summer now, and so that's why you saw the market kind of like pulling back a little bit, and it's starting to trend somewhat lower, but until we get some better news, the market's going to continue that way. That's why we saw it today. Corn was steady. Futures are really consolidating a little bit. After Wednesday's key reversal, the market will need some accelerated buying to reverse that trend. So we're hoping that that maybe something else can come in to give it a little bit more support. But right now, moving sideways, and still the trend, the short-term trend is a little bit to the downside. We're going to watch that closely come Monday. Wheat was weaker as well. That sluggish export demand definitely was putting some pressure on the market. Interestingly enough, the concerns about the crop conditions in Europe really was offering a little bit of support. There's a 12-cent range today in the wheat. The market was off quite a bit, but was able to jump back up. We know now that $5 is the real benchmark support for the wheat, and as long as it stays above that, certainly for the Chicago wheat, I think that the market will, keep from really, falling through that chasm that it's created on this rally. And today it looks pretty decent. Monday's going to give us a little bit more of a direction on which way we're going to head for the following week after that.